Microsoft Word line and paragraph spacing. In this video, I will show you how can you keep the line spacing between lines or paragraph in Microsoft Word. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, you need to prepare a paragraph in Microsoft Word, and to maintain line spacing between them, just select all the paragraph and go to line spacing. By default, Microsoft Word sets the spacing between lines as 1. If you double it, you can choose the option of 2.0. But if you don't want to choose the manual option, you can just click on the settings below. And here you have the option to choose the spacing before the paragraph and after the paragraph. You also have the option to choose alignment and outline level. You can choose the alignment left, right, center, and once you are done, click on OK. And then you will see the spacing between the lines in your paragraph customized. So that's all. That is how easily you can maintain line spacing between lines in your paragraph in Microsoft Word. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.